Hello dear students, are you still confused what are the amendments applicable for November or December exam? Then listen to this video clearly till end. This is applicable for inter and final all the students for taxation. The most important is financial year applicable for the November 2020 or December 2020 exam is 1920. I repeat, it is the financial year 1920. So whatever amendment and changes are given in financial year 19 and 20, only those are applicable for the coming November-December exam. So to brief it again, whatever coaching is given to you for your May and June exam for taxation, that is same applicable for November exam. All the changes in the TDS rates and due dates of return due to COVID, all this is not applicable because that is financial year 2021. It will come in the next year. So May and November, June and December exam, the portion is same. So in this video, I am covering up the amendment related to capital gain. But for all my other amendments, go to my channel. There's a playlist, all the amendments applicable, and if you open that playlist, you can see all other amendment videos for the surcharge, for the house property, and for the TDS, very important. At least you can reserve out of 100 marks, 8 to 10 marks for the amendments. So now let us dive into capital gain chapter. We have the first exemption, that is section 54. If you have sold a house, residential house, or a property or a land attached to house, when you sell a house and then you get a capital gain, these capital gain are in lakhs and crores. So how do I avoid paying income tax? So there is some option to it. Let us see. First condition is this provision of section 54 is applicable only to individual and HUF. Second is it is only for long-term capital gain. Third, it is for residential property, right? And the fourth is time limit for investment. If you sell one house and if you buy one house, then the time limit is for purchase 1 year backward, 2 years forward from the date of transfer. Students are confused. Is it from the due date? No. If I have transferred the house on 10th of October 2019, 1 year backward from 10th October, 2 years forward, I need to buy another house, or for construction, 3 years forward from this. So this is the fourth condition. Fifth condition is once you transfer a house and you buy another house, that another house you have to hold it for a lock-in period of 3 years, right? So all these conditions are clear to you. Now the core, the pumping heart of this video, the most important part, I am expecting a question at least in the MCQs or maybe full 8 marks capital gain. Listen carefully. When you sell the house and when you get the capital gain, you have to buy another residential house. So from financial year 19 and 20, they have come up with a slab. And the slab says if your capital gain is above 2 crores, if your capital gain exceeds 2 crore, then you have to sell one house, you have to buy another house like it was in the earlier. But if your capital gain is less than or equal to 2 crore, up to 2 crores, then you have an option. Sell the house and buy another house, or you can sell the house, one house, and buy 2 houses. Suppose if a father wants to sell one house and purchase 2 houses for his son, then earlier he was losing the exemption of second house. Now he can avail. So what is the important amendment? If your capital gain is less than 2 crores, capital gain, not the transfer value, the capital gain, you can sell the house and buy the house, one house. Or you can sell the house and you can purchase 2 houses. But this provision has a tagline and it says, if you sell one house and if you purchase 2 houses, This option you cannot apply in any other years. It's lifetime once. Like suppose in the financial year 24-25, I want to sell one house and I want to buy another house. No, this is to be applicable only once. So this provision is very beneficial to small SSEs, individuals and HUFs. Check this provision in your study material also, and any queries you have, my email ID is given. You can check all the details in my description box also. If you like this video, do hit the like button, do comment at the end of the video, and study well. We'll be coming up with more videos on amendments and other concepts of income tax.